7 common food that you must not have consumed daily. First, eating the right food. While a majority of the population is aware about the foods that comprise of the junk foods, there are other food that can be just as deadly as burger, pizzas, samosas and soft drink when consumed on a daily basis. Even when on a healthy diet, it is easy to mistake these silent killers for healthy food, and before you know it, you would have done damage to your body. Here is a list of food that are best to not consume on a daily basis. If you want to maintain optimum health, salt through sodium is essential for body, and for making food the key to consume it is in moderation. An excess amount of sodium can lead to a number of health complications like high blood pressure, kidney disease, heart disease, osteoporosis, and stomach cancer. Most food eaten out have a lot of sodium, so you might even want to consider reducing your outside food intake. You can also try to make a conscious effort to go saltless for a day or 2 or 3 days to reduce the ill effects of salt. Number 3, juice. There is a commercial juice and there is a homemade juice. While commercial juice is a strict no for daily consumption, it is best to go slow on homemade juice too. Commercial juices are loaded with sugar, artificial flavors, and a whole lot of calories, making them just as unhealthy as most sodas. What makes homemade juice appear on the list of the fact is the fact that juicing whole fruit or vegetable leads them of most of the fiber, something that is essential for satiety and gut health. So while it is alright to enjoy the occasional glass of fresh juice, opt for whole fruit or vegetable for better health benefits. Number 4, dry fruits. While dry fruits are often dubbed as a superfood for their high nutrition content, they also contain a significantly high amount of sugar and calories than their fresh counterpart. Dates, apricots, figs, and prunes are all nutritious, but they load you up with a high dose of calories. It is good to consume dry fruits before a workout for a quick boost but if you consume it every day, let's say before bed, you might be consuming unnecessary calories. So watch the frequency and quantity of your dry fruits consumption. Number 5, vegetables. This entry might become a surprise to most, since doctor, dietitian, nutritionist, and practically everyone else swear by its healthy benefit. Crucifix veggies like collard grains are loaded with essential nutrient, but they also contain a compound which when consumed in high quantities can interfere with the absorption of iodine. Lack of iodine leads to hyper, but the risk only occurs when consumed in excess, and spinach is not something usually people overindulge in. Number 6, canned foods. Canned food like tuna, baked beans, and veggies may be advertised as healthy, but the foods are stripped of most of the essential fiber and nutrients and are loaded with other ingredients like salt, sugar, and artificial flavor. So you might be opting for a quick and nutritious meal, and you will end up consuming something not only devoid of nutrition but also harmful. Opt for frozen food instead, as they have no added ingredient and you can eliminate the potential bacteria by cooking. Number 7, baked food. Baked food are good, or cakes often find their way into kitchens, and it is not uncommon to crave a sweet dish after your meals. However, baked foods are just as unhealthy as other desserts like ice cream or milk chocolate. These foods are loaded with sugar and maida, and while they do not have to be completely eliminated from your diet, as they need to be avoided or at least reduced. Not only are baked food, but they contain no nutrition at all, just providing a lethal combo